Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're showing you how to fix deleted contacts still appearing on WhatsApp. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into the right account, the one where you're seeing those unwanted contacts. Step 2. Now, from the Chats menu, scroll through and find the contact that's still showing up, even after being deleted. Just tap on their name to open the chat screen. Step 3. Once you're inside the chat, look up to the top of the screen where their name is displayed. Go ahead and tap on it. This takes you to their profile section. Step 4. At the top right corner, you'll see a 3 dots button. That's the menu icon. Tap on it to see more options. Step 5. From here, you'll now see an edit button near the top. Tap on that. This will take you to the edit contact screen linked with WhatsApp. Step 6. On this screen, again, look for the 3 dots button at the top. Tap on it one more time to open another drop-down menu. Step 7. Now, from that menu, find the option that says Delete Contact. Once you tap it, confirm your action. This will permanently remove the contact from your phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.